Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my TotalMount Nintendo Switch wall mount. The reason why I got this wall mount is because I really don't like the cluttered, bulky look of a TV stand in front of the TV. I think it looks kind of outdated, and a lot of that stuff ends up dusty anyway. So I really liked the clean, crisp look of getting my things mounted on the wall. And this wall mount really drew me in because of its color and its design. I like that it's the same color as the Nintendo Switch. I like the sleek, clean lines on here. And I like that I'm able to fit the dock in here as well as my Nintendo Switch inside. And it just looks so nice. I'm able to keep it plugged up into the TV. And I really like the look of it. So I highly recommend this mount. If you're looking for something to nicely display your Nintendo Switch, this is the mount to go with. And that's my point of view.